A very good morning, students. Myself, Chakravarti. Welcome to our online classes. I will be teaching you about computer. All of you just take out your books. First chapter, working of a computer. A computer is an electronic machine. A computer is an electronic machine which helps us in many ways. We can solve logical problems, arithmetical problems. We can send letters through emails. We can paint. We can listen music. Can watch movies, cartoons. By using computer, we can do many things. That is the use of computer. Fields where we use computer. There are many fields where we use computer. In school, in hospital, in bank, in defense, we use computer for many works. In school, we use computer for keeping student records, teacher records. In hospitals, we use computer for keeping patient records, medicine records and all. Like this, we use computer in many fields. A computer is an electronic machine which helps us in many ways. We can use a computer to type letters, make drawings, send letters through emails, watch cartoons and do many other useful things. Nowadays, computers are used in every field of human life. These are used in education, business, entertainment, defense, medicine, transportation, publishing, designing and so on. For a common man, a computer is simply a calculator which works automatically at a high speed. For a common people, computer is like calculator. But in reality, computer is a digital machine. But in reality, computer is a digital machine capable of solving many problems like arithmetic problems and logical problems also. Logical problems means comparison, greater than, equal to, less than, and arithmetic problems are addition, subtraction, division, etc. Data. The information that you feed, the information or data that you feed to the computer, the information that you feed to the computer called data. The information that you feed to the computer is called data. Program. What do you mean by program? The instructions that a computer uses to process. The instructions given by the user, a set of instructions given by the user are called programs or software. Turn the page. How the computer operates. A computer needs three basic steps to function. Input, first one is input, processing, output. By using input devices, what are the input devices? Keyboard, very common input devices are keyboard, mouse. By using input devices, we can send information to the computer. Computer accepts the information and start processing. The processing of computer done by CPU. The processing of computer done by CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. After this, processing unit transfers the data to output location. By using output devices, we get a result. By using output devices, we get a result. What are the output devices? Very common output devices are monitor, speaker, this is the how the computer operates. The data that you feed into the computer for processing is called input. The data that you feed into the computer for processing is called input. Processing is the word later is. Storage section is used to store data. Look at this picture. Input, processing, output. A user sends the information to the computer. Computer accepts it and start processing. After processing, it transfers data to the output location. By using output devices, we get a final result. And the result will be stored in the storage location. Storage section is used for storing purpose. Turn the page. Next topic is hardware and software. A computer has two basic parts. A computer has two basic parts. One is hardware and another is software. Hardware are the physical component. Those devices which we can see, we can touch, those are hardware, like keyboard, mouse, monitor. Those are hardware. Software are the set of instructions. Software are the set of instructions given by the user. The software we cannot touch. Software we cannot touch. The difference between hardware and software is we can touch a hardware, but we cannot touch softwares. Am I clear? Okay. Moving to the next part. Hardware includes mainly the following parts: keyboard, mouse. Just now I have written keyboard, mouse. Keyboard to type data. Keyboard is used to type data. We use keyboard for typing purpose. Mouse to control the pointer on the screen. We use mouse for pointing, to control the pointer. Processing unit to house the, see these processing units house the motherboard, processor, RAM, hard disk, CD, DVD drive, power supply. All processing parts handled by CPU. Monitor is used to display text or images. We use monitor for displaying result. Printer to produce copy of information. We use printer to copy information. Modem. This is modem. Modem connects you to the internet. We use internet very frequently. This internet connection we can get by using modem. Turn the page. What is software? Software is a set of instructions or programs on which a computer works. These programs tell the computer, software are the set of instructions, or we can call it as programs. This software tells the computer what to do, when to do, where to do, how to do. Every instruction are given by the software. These programs tell the computer what to do. It is that part of the computer which you cannot touch or feel. This is the part which we cannot touch. Hardware we can touch, but software we cannot touch it or feel. But without its help, hardware can do nothing. the relevant software program should be loaded in the computer. To get a particular job or to get a particular result, we have to install or we have to load the software program within the computer. So up to this we finished the chapter. First chapter is finished. In next class I will give you the question answer. For today that's all. All of you stay home, stay safe and wash your hands very frequently. Bye bye.